What's up, drop services? Dylan Sigley here. In this video here, we're going to get into how to get sales with Instagram drop servicing. Let's do it. So as you guys know, I run two drop servicing businesses driving six figures and an education business called the Drop Servicing Blueprint that teaches drop servicing. So I know a few strategies that you can use to get sales in a drop servicing business. And what I'm going to be showing you in this video is how we use free Instagram traffic to drive sales like these. And I'm going to be breaking down for you the strategy step by step so that by the end of this video, you can take this strategy, implement it in your drop servicing business, and then report back with the results. And to give you guys a little bit more proof to show you that I get results in these drop servicing businesses, I'm going to put a screen recording right now of one of these drop servicing businesses' PayPal accounts so you can see us scroll down and watch the sales flowing in. So the great thing about Instagram is when it comes to drop servicing, it's a very untapped platform. And the reason for that is because people don't even really know about the strategy, to be honest with you. I haven't seen many people doing it out there, and everyone's kind of stuck on Facebook advertising and LinkedIn and all of those types of platforms because that's the most popular and everyone seems to be doing it. But with Instagram, you can get sales for your drop servicing business too, and you can do so with completely free traffic. On top of that, with this strategy, you don't need to have some kind of massive following on Instagram. You can get great sales and great results and a lot of free traffic with really little to even no followers in the very beginning. Obviously, as you continue this strategy, you're going to build followers as you go, but followers aren't really the goal, right? Sales are the goal. And that's all that really matters to us at the end of the day. So as long as you have your logo as your profile photo, you've got your website and your bio and a link to that, then maybe a call to action in the bio. Even having your offer in your bio can be really powerful too. For example, if you're offering a discount only on Instagram, that can work well. And then on top of that, you can also have on your Instagram page case studies, testimonials, examples, statistics from your industry to help build up the buying temperature of your potential leads that you connect with and who follow you on Instagram. So that's one way of doing it. But on top of that, you're going to start reaching out to people on Instagram, and then a certain percentage of those people that you reach out to are of course going to click on your profile to learn a little bit more, and you're going to build your profile around the whole offer and a link to your website with a call to action, and then having all of that information I mentioned in terms of statistics, case studies, examples, testimonials as posts on your Instagram page. You're essentially setting up your Instagram page almost like a landing page. Now, the strategy that I'm about to reveal to you goes really well together when paired with organic Instagram marketing and Instagram advertising. You can drive even better results. When you pair those three things together, just like you could do with Facebook or LinkedIn, it always maximizes the results and leads to exponential growth. But in this case here, we could even just focus on the two free methods of driving traffic with organic and outreach. Next, you need to research potential buyers. And what I recommend doing when going through this process of research is make sure you track everything that you do, right? Because we want to be very sequential or in order as we go through the process so that we're not doing the same searches again and again. We want to do a new search every time, so always bringing up new results, reaching out to new people. So the way we do this is set up a Google Sheet or whatever you prefer, and make sure you include things like the name of the profile that you've reached out to so you can check when reaching out to another that you're not reaching out to the same one as before. You also want to include the searches that you perform in terms of tags or an Instagram shopping, or even using CRUNCHBASE as a really great data source for new up and coming companies, and then looking them up on Instagram to reach out to. Now, in terms of deciding which kinds of companies to reach out to, of course you have CRUNCHBASE, but if you Google LinkedIn developer codes for industries, you're going to find a ton of industries that you can search for. Then of course you have all of the keywords that you can search for. For example, if we looked up women's shoes, we're going to come up with a lot of stores on Instagram that we can potentially reach out to. And what you're going to find when going through this process of researching potential companies is you can always email them directly from the Instagram app and message them. So you can perform both of those, and then you're outreaching from two angles, which is really powerful. So going through that process of researching different potential clients and then following them on Instagram, sending them them an Instagram message, and also emailing them directly from their profile, you're going to start generating a lot of free traffic to your offer on your Instagram page. Then from there, all you need to do is follow up with leads that come through, put them into your automatic sales system, have your salespeople perform all of the calls, and you're good to go. You're going to be able to automate this strategy with virtual assistants to handle every single step of the process for you, so you can sit back, relax, and watch the free Instagram sales come in. On top of this, you're also going to be able to build up your Instagram profile by posting really valuable content for all of your followers, and then over time, you'll simply boost the results you're able to generate from this outreach strategy. So what I want you to do now is go out there, implement the strategy in your drop servicing business, and report back to me what results you get. I look forward to seeing the results that you get, and I look forward to seeing you in the next video, and I'll talk to you soon.